Hey guys, this is a $800 gaming PC that I put together. It may not be the best parts, but I worked really hard on it. So for the CPU, I picked the AMD Sempron 145 processor, once at 2.8 gigahertz. It is a single core processor and it runs very cool. It is only $31. For the video card, I picked the Asus GeForce 210, which features half a gigabyte of dedicated memory, and it is 32-bit DDR3, and this is only going to cost you $21.99 at Amazon.com. For RAM, we picked Crucial 1 gigabyte, so one stick of 1 gigabyte DDR3 RAM, so it's new technology, and it is 1333 megahertz, and it's 1323 at Amazon.com. For the motherboard, I picked the BioStar A780L3. It's micro ATX, and one of the major features of this is that it has onboard Ethernet, and this is only $40 at OutletPC.com. For the hard drive disk, we picked the Seagate Barracuda 250 gigabyte. It is $40.09 at Microcenter.com, and this is a very reliable hard drive, and you have a lot of storage. For the power supply, we picked the very well-known Logisys. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's 480 watts and is very efficient power, so it'll run your system very well. For the CD drive, we picked the LG just standard drive, so you can burn CDs and DVDs, install operating system, and it's very cheap. It's only $12.98. And for the case, we topped it off with the best case on the market, the Silvertone TJ11BW. Has great cable management, lots of space, and it is going to cost you $580 at Amazon.com. And that wraps up our build video. If you have any questions about it, please put them in the comments section below. I know for a matter of fact that this will max out any game at 1080p. Crysis 3, Skyrim, Battlefield 3, you name it. This will definitely do it. And with this case, you'll get really good temperatures, so you don't have to worry about anything getting hot. And if you're kind of, not happy with this system only having 1 gigabyte of RAM, you can always download more RAM online. There will be a link to do that in the description below. And that actually works for any computer, so if you don't have that much RAM in your system, you can always go to the website. So that's really all we got though, so thanks for watching guys. See ya.